Charlie. What did we do?
We make the house.
Give Lenny a tour.
And here's where you go inside with the dog with Ken. See, his name is Ken. And you put up the TV, see? And he's watching SpongeBob. And here's the couch that goes in the living room. And here, over here, see? We got the bed here. Over here, we got the bed, blankets, pillow, and sheets. And over here, we got the flusher, toilet, washing machine, and over here, we got the garage.
Awesome.
And
Okay, so what's the play? Does Ken want to take a nap or watch TV? Is there a remote control for the TV too?
oh yes, there is, and you're about to see it. Where did I put that? Now let's see. Where did I put it? Ouch! I stepped on a plug and snake. Ouch! I put it on a plug and snake.
Oh no.
Now let's see, where
I
did
don't know where the remote went, and this is getting long, so let's wait. Let's say goodbye to Lenny.
Bye, Lenny. This is how the story begins. Oh.
Oh
Ah.
no.
Ah.
Hey, say bye, Lenny. Say I love you.
Hi, Lenny. Ah.